Alright, so today is a Tuesday night, and on most Tuesday nights, we're getting ready for bed, getting ready for the next day, getting ourselves situated, you know, Neville playing on the stairs, or is that Gilbert? Gosh, it's Gilbert. But today, when there's a windstorm that could potentially cause trees to fall in your yard, you're getting ready for that. But was there actually a windstorm? Doesn't look like it. I don't hear wind. I don't see stuff blowing. All I can see is what looks like it had recently rained. Looks like the weather forecast might have fooled me. They do that. Subscribe.